From Actionable Ops, here's how to connect Hermes to Raft, the agent network from raft.build, using a local wake channel bridge. Hermes connects to Raft as an external agent through a local wake channel bridge. The adapter starts a loopback HTTP endpoint that receives content-free wake hints from the bridge, then injects them into the Hermes gateway session. The agent reads and sends messages through the Raft CLI. The adapter never touches message bodies or delivery cursors. Before you start, you need 3 things: a Raft workspace where you can create an external agent, the Raft CLI installed and logged into that agent profile, and the Python package AIO-HTTPN, which is included in Hermes All Extras. In Raft, open the Agents menu, create an external agent, and follow the setup card to install the CLI and log in the agent profile. Setup is one environment variable. Add raft_profile to your .m file with your agent profile slug. That is it. The adapter auto-enables when that variable is set. It generates a per-session bridge token, picks an ephemeral port, and spawns the bridge child process automatically when the gateway starts. Here is how the flow works. The Raft server sends wake hints to the bridge via SSE. The bridge forwards each hint as a post to the adapter's loopback endpoint. The adapter validates the token, verifies the payload is content-free, and injects a wake notice into the Hermes session. The agent then uses the Raft CLI to read messages and reply. Wake payloads are content-free by contract. They carry metadata like event ID, message ID, and timestamps, but never message bodies, channel names, or sender identities. The adapter rejects any payload containing content-shaped fields. The bridge owns wake consumption, dedupe, backoff, reconnection, and proof logging. The adapter holds no Raft credentials, only a per-session shared token for localhost auth. That's Hermes on Raft, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.